my channel. Today I'm going to bring you my latest Avon haul. This was delivered to me one day last week, and I have used a couple, literally only two of the items, because I wanted to tell you what they were like. One of them I haven't used at all, and I haven't even taken out the packaging yet, and one of the other things is something I ordered as a repeat from last month because I loved it that much. So I'll start with that one. I ordered this on my last Avon order, and it's the Avon Skin So Soft, and it's the original one. It's infused with jojoba oil. It's the iconic dry oil spray. Now, they've been doing Skin So Soft for a long time, because I remember ordering this like years ago, and it smells amazing. And that's what it looks like. It goes on like a dream. As I say, there's no rubbing in or anything like that. I said that in my last Avon video. No rubbing in, which is ideal for me, because obviously this arm is out of action, so I can only use my one hand. I must sound like a bit of a broken record now, I guess, keep saying it, but I just think if anyone new is watching me, then just to say that I've actually broken my humerus, so obviously can't use my arm at the moment. But this is amazing because you literally just spray it on. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to rub it in or anything. It's not too greasy. It smells amazing. And apparently, I didn't know this, but I have heard just by watching a couple of other people's Avon hauls, this is amazing for repelling mosquitoes. Yeah, apparently if you spray this on yourself, if you're going away on holiday, it really apparently does help to repel the insects. And apparently if you spray this around your house, it's meant to help keep flies and insects away from your house. So wish I knew about this at the beginning of the summer, you know, when all those petulant horrible flies keep coming in. The only thing I can do is maybe show it. So I've got it on my shoulder. It smells beautiful. It really is a lovely smell. And yeah, you just spray it on and feel the benefits. So yes, that's that one. I will tell you how much I paid for it because I've got my receipt here. I paid £3.50 for that, which I don't think is bad at all. The other thing I'm going to show you is actually a free gift, because if you spent over a certain amount, and I can't remember what it was, but if you spent over a certain amount of money, you could choose one of maybe 4 items, I think it was. You could choose one of those items as a free gift, and I went with this one. I think it's about £5 maybe retail price, if you're actually buying it from the book, but don't quote me on that, I'm not absolutely sure, can't swear by that. And this is called Tender Kisses. Now, I struggle with matte lipsticks, although I like the look of them on some people. On me, they just totally dry my lips. So this isn't a matte lipstick. It's a sheer lipstick, but it's just beautiful. It feels lovely. I have worn it a couple of times. I will pop it on and show it to you. Excuse the state of my nails. Since I've done my arm, obviously I can't look after my nails. It's really difficult. Loads of them are breaking, and I can't, you know, just got to wait until I can fit back in with my daughter. So I'll show you what it looks like in the bullet. So there you go. And I'll pop it on for you. There you go. If you know me, you know how much I love my lipsticks. I absolutely love a lipstick, but that is so lovely. I mean, it's sheer, but you still get a lot of colour from it. But yeah, that's called Tender Kisses. Okay, the other thing that I got was this mascara by Mark. It says Big and Phenomenal Volume Mascara, and I got it in Blackest Black. It's kind of neon green and that's what the front packaging looks like. Loving it. I'm really enjoying this. I've put it on maybe twice before. Wanted to try it out as well before I told you about it. there you go, that's what the brush is like. So it's quite nice. It's not a bad little brush really. It's not huge and it's not tiny. I'm just going to pop a little bit on. Just going to use my mirror over here. So I'm only going to do like one coat. Just so that you can see. There, so that's one coat, and I think one coat just for, you know, that no makeup look, I think it's really good. And you know, you can definitely see a difference, can't you? Yeah, obviously it's buildable, so if you want to just create more volume, then just keep whacking it on. Yeah, then just apply some more coats, but I think it's really, really, really nice. This was, let me double check for you, £6, and I think that's a really good price for a mascara. And then the last thing I bought was this. This is a new Ultimate Multi-Performance Gold Peel-Off Mask. Never used this before. If you watch my channel, you know how much I like a face mask, and at the moment I've got a little mini series where I'm doing a different face mask every Friday. So this will be coming up on my next Friday face mask. Yeah, that's what the packaging looks like. This is more than I would normally spend on a face mask. Normally it would be a sheet face mask or a peel-off one. The peel-off ones I tend to pay around about £1 for them, something like that. Same for the sheet masks, and in Poundland I buy the little pots, like the kale ones and the avocado and the coconut one, and I absolutely love those, and they're pound each. But this one was actually £8, I think. I'll just check. Yeah, it was £8, so I'm just going to read what it says, because I'm hoping it promises quite a lot for that. Right, okie doke. Ultimate Multi-Performance Gold Peel-Off Face Mask helps your skin look smoother, brighter and more luminous. This luxurious formula infused with gold helps enhance skin's clarity and visibly improve imperfections, leaving skin refined and looking refreshed and energized. To use, apply a thin even layer on a cleansed skin, leave until dry, gently peel off, rinse with warm water, use 1 to 2 times a week, and then obviously the normal warnings like avoid the eye area. That's what the actual tube itself looks like. Let's have a look and see what it's going to be very difficult for me to, I'm not really going to be able to, I don't think. I don't know what I'll do. If I stand up, I'll pop some on my arm here. Oops. Just so, there we go, where are you? There you go. Let me shut this blind a minute. It's causing all sorts of, oops, streaks. Right, okay. So just leave it like that to dry for a minute. Initially, just to touch, it just feels like, literally like all the other peel-off masks, but it's dried really quickly, because on my fingers it's like, it's gone. It's just peeled into just like little tiny pieces straight away. Let's give it a smell. Oh, it does smell. I can't describe what it smells like. It's not horrible. It's actually a nice smell. And it just smells, I don't know, like, you know, like a spa smell. I can't really describe what that smells like. I'm hoping it really works. So I'm just going to let that dry. At the end of the video I'll peel it off because it would have dried by then. But that's everything that I got this time from Avon. I have got another book here to look through, so I'm going to spend some time looking through that. If you like Avon and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up because that massively helps my channel out. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you could. And if you press that notification bell, then you'll know when I've done all my new uploads. Until then, my lovelies, take care of yourselves and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now. It's still a little tiny bit tacky because I'm being a bit impatient. Right, I'm just going to peel it off my arm. I obviously haven't left it on quite long enough, but I just wanted to give you an idea, and myself as well, to see what it's going to be like. But I feel that it will peel off really, really easily. Feels very nice. Smells lovely. Friday give me the true picture as to what it's really, really like, because I'll be doing that on Friday. So look out for that video, won't you?